Hello everyone. In tutor 6, we are going to create this component. And in tutor 6, we are going to learn pattern geometry, which means how do we replicate the geometry we have already created and we don't want to create again. So we will try to replicate it. Still, let's take a look at the engineering drawing of this component. And from these three views and the character of the geometry, I would like to create the basic geometry by a block firstly, and then I will create one corner with the remove, extrude, and create a hole, and then I will pattern these features to the full corners of this block, and I will create the side hole here and mirror it to replicate the second, and at last we are going to replicate the remove feature and the hole features to the block. So we will click this linear pattern command. This is our linear pattern 1. And at the features to pattern, you choose the extrude and the hole 1 feature. And the direction, it should be along this edge. And the distance from these two features is 100 millimeter for this one. And the instant count is 2, so we are going to create 2 features here. And then we are going to edit the second direction. You need to check the second direction to create the features on this direction. And the direction is along this edge. And this time the distance to be 15.5 millimeter, and the instant count is 2. We're going to create 2 at this direction, 2, and check apply per instant, and check the checksum and get editing mode of this linear pattern. So then you create these 4 features. And we also need to measure these small holes. So let's check the mirror command. It's here, mirror command. Okay, I go to select the mirror one, and we're going to select this hole as a feature to measure, and choose the mirror plane to be this one, the red plane here. It depends on your oil model, say which plane you need to choose. And you create these 2 holes. And you also need to create the large hole at this surface. So you need to create the point to place the large hole. So at sketch 5, you're going to create a point at the middle point of the top edge. And create a hole here. And this is the character of the hole 3. Input these numbers into your home command and click the checksum to escape editing. We still have a slot at the bottom, haven't finished, and let's create this one. So this is the dimension of it. You may need a construction line to create this sketch. And remove extrude. You choose a sketch you just create and through all. The last feature we are going to create for this geometry is the fitted. So I'm going to create the fitted by click the fitted command, and the entities to fit it is the 9 inner edges. So you need to choose these 9 lines, and let's choose a tangent propagation and set the radius to be 2 mm and allow an edge overflowing.